Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we're exploring the %status function, which is crucial for handling program and file statuses on the IBM I system. The %status function retrieves the most recent status value of a program or file. It's typically used to detect errors or track the status changes during operations. Let's delve into its syntax: %status filename. If used without filename parameter, it returns the status of the most recent program or file. If a filename is specified, it retrieves the status specific to the file. Let's look at an example to understand how %status works in practice. In this example, we declare the file custar with specific disk usage settings. %status is used within conditional checks, like %error, to handle different scenarios based on file status code. Depending on the scenario, the %status function helps the program determine appropriate actions, such as opening a file or adjusting the sequence of operations. That wraps up our overview of the %status function in IBM I. It's an essential tool for error handling and status monitoring within programs and files. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %status bolt-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I tips and tutorials.